Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This device is really surprised me. This is the SpaceMouse Wireless Kit 2. You can see this is Blender 5.1. When I want to control it, I pull it up slowly. You can see I push it down slowly. It can connect to the blender and also control the blender very accurate. You can see if I just push it to the right, push it to the left. If I try to twist it to rotate it, you can see it is surprisingly accurate. And there's a button at here. I click it and I can make it fast. You can see it directly let you to choose the pendulum fast. Then if I choose it, when I push and pull, it is really fast. I twist it, pull it up, press it down. Now this is the fast mode. If I press it again, I want it to be moderate or really slow for some accurate connection. It can become very slow and very accurate. So as a 3D modeler and 3D animator that's always used the Blender, this really helped me, and this is the first time it really surprised me. Alright, now this is a more complicated Blender 3D scene, and in this SpaceMouse Wireless Kit 2, there's another button at the right hand side. You can see if I click on that button, it will pop out this. See, I can choose to view from the top, view from the side, or just view from the front. And then if I press and choose the quad mode, you can see it immediately switch it to different perspective at here. If I click again and choose it, click again, it will back to the normal. I not even need to use my keyboard, I not even need to use my mouse. This is like a really complete kit for the 3D scene in Blender, and it has really surprised me. And one more function for the right button here, in Blender, I click, you can see it can show the wireframe and toggle the wireframe. Just toggle. And this one is the X-ray mode. It's really easy. And you can try it more. You can see even toggle and just close everything, right? Toggle the maximize area to view the whole 3D scene. Alright, this is the 3D Connection SpaceMouse Wireless Kit 2, and that's all. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings on 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the mini bell. If next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!